Arshia, are you ready? Yes, today's our airport day. Where's my suitcase? It is beside the door. I found it. Woo! Are you excited? Yes, I can't wait. Can you see the blue suitcase? Wow, big airport. Yes, huge. Where do we go? To the check-in. To the check-in. I am excited. Me too. Let's go.
Hello.
Hello.
Your ticket, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice trip.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please put your bag here.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes. Have a nice trip.
Look, our airplane. It is very big. Can you see it? Yes, I can. I am so happy. Boarding starts soon. I can't wait.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Hello.
Please come in.
This is exciting. I love airplanes.
Enjoy your flight.
I have a window seat. Lucky you. Look outside. The wings are huge. I see many planes. This is amazing. Let's fly. We are flying. Look at the clouds. They are beautiful. They look soft. I feel happy. Me too. What a nice view. Can you see the sun? Yes. The sky is blue. The clouds are white. This is my favorite. Mine too. I love flying.
We are landing.
We are here! That was fast. I enjoyed the flight. Me too. Thank you, Captain.
You're welcome.
There is my suitcase. Yes, I see it. I will take it. Be careful. I got it. Great job. Let's go. Today was fun. We learned airport words. Airport, ticket, suitcase, airplane. See you next time.